Hello and warm welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how we can make an image circular in SwiftUI. So I have already the basic project for SwiftUI and an image named avatar headset. So now we will go to this content view, and here we have default viz stack with image and text, and on the right hand side you can see the preview. So here you can see the preview, that hello world. So now here we will replace this text with our image, and since we are going to use our own image, so we will select the name of our image avatar headset. Right now you can see this image is a square. Now we need to circular it, so we can use the modifiers available in SwiftUI. So first of all we will make it resizable, and then we will give it a frame as desired, like 200 and height of 200. Right now, in order to make it a circular, we have a modifier in SwiftUI named clipShape, and it requires a shape, and since we need to give it a circular shape, so we will pass a circle to it, and now you can see the image is circular. So this is a very short and easy thing available in SwiftUI to make your image circular. And if you want to give it a border, then you can say overlay modifier, and we will give it a overlay circle, and then we can give it a stroke, right? And a stroke we can give it a color, that color dot blue, right? And line width 3. So here you can see now we do have a border also with line width. We can increase the line width like this, whatever you want. So these are very helpful modifiers available in SwiftUI and makes the things easier for the developer. I hope you like this video. Have a good day. Bye.